Hey there mga kabahay! Welcome back to an episode of Ask Realtor Leslie. Today, we've got an information-packed episode for you guys as we dive into the world of real estate financing. Whether you are eyeing to buy a house and lot, a luxurious condo, or a spacious farm lot, mahalaga na malaman mo ang iba't ibang uri ng financing schemes upang mapasaiyo ang property na pinapangarap mo. So let's get started and explore the 5 financing methods in buying a property. First up, we have bank financing. This method involves securing a home loan from a bank to cover the cost of the property. Kadalasan, merong down payment or equity na babayaran si buyer sa developer or seller at yung balanse from the contract price ang magiging loanable amount sa bank or yung amount na ilo-loan natin sa bank. With competitive interest rates and flexible payment terms, bank financing is a popular choice for first-time home buyers. You can avail a maximum of 20 years loan term for bank financing if you are locally employed. Kapag OFW naman po, you can avail a maximum of 15 years to pay loan term. At dahil maglo-loan si buyer sa bank, meron tayong tinatawag na bank criteria, requirements, and eligibility. Tandaan, hindi po lahat pwedeng ma-approve for a bank housing loan or bank financing. So, meron tong mga criteria and eligibility. We'll have a separate in-depth discussion of bank financing's criteria, eligibility, and requirements on a separate vlog para mas masaya. Next, let's talk about in-house financing. In-house financing is offered by property developers themselves. Not all property developers have in-house financing. Some property developers who are big enough to have their own financing institution can offer in-house financing. So, yung mga developer na malalaki at kaya nilang mag-provide ng financing, sila lang po ang nagpo-provide ng in-house financing or nag-o-offer ng in-house financing. In-house financing is a convenient option for a buyer if hindi po sila qualified for bank financing. In-house financing usually offers a higher interest rates and a shorter loan term compared to bank financing. Kaya hindi po natin agad ino-offer ang in-house financing sa ating mga buyers dahil mataas po talaga ang interest rate nito. Kumbaga, we only offer in-house as a last resort if the buyer cannot secure an approval with the bank financing or with the bank loan. That's the time that we will have the in-house financing. Sa part ni developer, medyo risky ang magpa-loan sa buyer na hindi maa-approve for bank financing. That is why medyo mataas ang interest rate for an in-house financing at mas shorter ang loan term for the in-house. For in-house financing, usually, the loan term is for only 10 to 15 years to pay. We'll delve into the pros and cons of in-house financing as well as the key points to consider before choosing in-house financing on a separate vlog. Third financing method, if you are looking to seal the deal quickly na wala masyadong requirements, wala masyadong eche-boreche, then spot cash financing might be your best option. Spot cash financing involves paying the full amount or the total contract price up front or making a one-time lump sum payment for the total amount of the property. While spot cash payment requires paying a hefty big amount of money on a one-time basis, hindi ka na din lugi dahil most of the developers offer a big discount for spot cash payments. At maliban dyan, minimal na lang ang paperwork or requirements mo when you purchase a property through spot cash payment. Tip nga pala guys, if you are planning to purchase a property through spot cash payment, it is recommended to buy a property that is ready for occupancy. Bakit? Because you are already paying spot cash. Mas maganda kung ready for occupancy na ang property para ma-turn over na agad at magamit mo na ang property binili mo. The fourth financing method is the deferred cash payment. Deferred cash payment is also known as installment payment, allows you to pay the total amount of the property in a staggered monthly payment at 0% interest. Monthly payment or monthly installment or hulugan ang pagbabayad ng total amount of the property. Deferred cash payment strikes a balance between paying the property upfront kung magsa-spot cash ka or making a long-term commitment or long-term loan kung ikaw ay magbabank financing or in-house financing. Magandang method ang deferred cash kapag meron kang pambayad ng malaki sa monthly but you don't want to pay the spot cash upfront. Deferred cash will help you save on the interest rate dahil 0% interest po ang deferred cash. Commonly, developers offer deferred cash payment kasabay ng turnover ng property. For example, the property can be turned over in 2 years, then you can avail deferred cash for 24 months to pay installment at 0% interest. Tandaan po, iba't iba ang policy ng developer when it comes to deferred cash. So it's best to consult your broker or agent with regards to deferred cash payment. And last but definitely not the least, we have Pag-IBIG Financing. Buti pa sila may Pag-IBIG. Char! Pag-IBIG Financing is also known as Home Development Mutual Fund, is a government-subsidized home financing option. Pag-IBIG Financing is a favorite financing option for many Filipinos because of its low interest rate and long loan term. Currently, Pag-IBIG Financing offers 6.75% interest rate per annum and you can avail a maximum of 30 years to pay loan term. As a general rule, the longer the loan term, the lower the monthly amortization. Mas madali din ang mga requirements and criteria ng Pag-IBIG as compared to bank financing. Basta member ka ng Pag-IBIG, pwede kang ma-approve for a Pag-IBIG housing loan. I have a vlog dedicated for Pag-IBIG financing once you buy a property. So you can click this link above if you want to know more about the process, the requirements, and the criteria to be approved of a Pag-IBIG housing loan. And there you have it, guys, the 5 financing methods in availing your dream property. Tandaan po natin, every financing method has its own pros and cons, considerations, and advantages. Whether you are considering bank financing, in-house, spot cash, deferred cash, or even Pag-IBIG financing, abot kamay mo na lang talaga ang property pinapangarap mo. If you find this vlog informative and helpful, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. I-click mo na din ang notification bell so that you'll stay updated on all things real estate. Once again, this is Leslie Lazarte, your friendly real estate broker, and I'll see you in my next video.